The train just stopped. Come on in, let's go on this IvainTures. This is gonna be raw footage of the Parisian metro system. You will have a pretty good understanding of what it looks like and what it's like to navigate underground Paris. I'm here at a metro station in Paris, France, and I just wanted to show you guys how crazy it looks. You really have to know where you're going. This is very different than a metro station in the United States. Please enjoy the video. It's like a jungle, a concrete jungle out here. You see how big it is? All these different lines, like bigger than a mall. It's insane, and stairs going every direction. I'm at the station called Châtelet des Halles, and I just want to show you the complete like madness. There's like 3 different levels here and directions everywhere. In Paris, you're never more than 10 minutes walk from a metro station. It's Europe's best subway system, and it allows you to hop from site to site quickly and very cheaply. And I want to tell you guys, this is Sunday. Imagine a Monday, a Tuesday, a Friday. The train goes everywhere. You don't have to drive anywhere, really. You can just take the train. That's how people live in Paris. They live underground. Yeah. To get to your destination, determine the closest metro stop and which line or lines you would like to get to. The lines are color-coded and numbered, and you can tell the direction by the end of the line stops. In France, there's no such thing as personal space, so be ready to be pushed and shoved without anybody apologizing for it. Even though the metro takes you from one place to another, be prepared to walk a great amount within stations to reach your platform. Escalators are common, but they are sometimes out of order. When riding the Paris Metro, you have several options when you're trying to buy your tickets. You have single-use tickets, books of multiple tickets, day passes, multi-day passes, and weekly passes. You can also buy a Paris City Pass, and this one helps you keep costs down as unlimited travel on the metro is included in the price. It's possible to get a pass from 2 to 6 days. Not only can you use unlimited transport, you will also receive discounted entry to some popular museums and attractions too. This includes Centre Pompidou, Versailles Palace, and the Louvre, just to name a few. Guys, some of the trains, the subway trains in Paris have 2 levels. 2 levels, it's pretty cool. Lots of space and the best way to move around Paris. Keep in mind, whatever ticket you choose to use, you can buy them in advance or on the day via the ticket machines at La Gare du Nord, Charles de Gaulle Airport, or other major stations in Paris.
métro.
Ouais.
Ton gars là,
Guys, as you can see, there's different levels, different stairs going in different directions. It's pretty crazy. We need to put a ticket here. Oops, sorry.
vedi un pochino con la linea 6 sappiamo a noi.
One final advice I would give you is to beware of scams. In some stations, there are people who try to con unsuspecting travelers. The ticket machines are super easy to use and have a variety of language settings, but some will try to convince you that the machines are difficult and confusing to use. Do not listen to them. Thank you for watching. I hope you got something out of this video. If that's the case, please kindly subscribe, press the like button, and I will see you on the next video. Qu'est-ce qu'elle a perdu, là?